What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to use a controller for Xbox Game Pass games on your PC. To get your PlayStation controller working with Xbox Game Pass on your PC, you'll need to use a third-party application called DS4 Windows. This app enables your PC to recognize your PlayStation controller as an Xbox controller, which is natively supported by Windows. Open up your web browser and head to ds4windows.com to access this page. Everything you need will be linked in the video description. Click on the download button located at the top right corner of the page. Once the download is complete, you can close this window. Next, locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder using your File Explorer. Extract the DS4 Windows zip file to a location of your choice. The desktop is a convenient option for easy access. Open the extracted DS4 Windows folder and run the DS4 Windows application. You'll be prompted to choose where you want your profile and settings to be saved. You can select either the program folder or app data. For simplicity, choose the program folder. DS4 Windows will then ask you to specify the type of controller you're using. Options include DualShock 4 for PS4 controllers, DualSense for PS5, and DS3 for PlayStation 3 controllers. Select the appropriate option for your controller. Following this, DS4 Windows will guide you to install the necessary drivers. Click on the Step 1 button to install the VIG EM bus driver. Follow the installation prompts, agree to the license terms, and complete the installation process. Depending on your internet connection, it will take anywhere from a couple of seconds to a few minutes. Now, it's time to connect your controller to your PC. You can do this either via a wired USB connection or Bluetooth. For wired connection, simply use your controller's charging cable to connect it to your PC. If you prefer to connect via Bluetooth, ensure your PC is Bluetooth capable. Open your Windows Bluetooth settings from your PC Start menu search bar by searching for and selecting Add Bluetooth or other devices. On the Settings window, put your controller into pairing mode by holding down the PlayStation and share buttons until the light bar begins to flash. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the pairing. Once connected, open DS4 Windows again and press the Start button to activate the controller mapping. Your PlayStation controller should now be recognized as an Xbox controller by your PC, making it compatible with Xbox Game Pass games. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.